4-minute 11-line abs workout. I am so pumped, and it inspires me so much to see all your tags and all the progress and results you ladies are seeing. Please don't forget to always tag me, comment below on any workouts that you would like me to do in the future. We have just launched a new 6-week guide called the Feel Good Fit Factory, and let me tell you, it is going to be one hell of a 6-week journey. Let's get straight into this workout. Alright, feet are up, and we are going into slow cycle abs. I forgot what I was doing for a second. I've got it. I've got you, don't stress.
Real soon, I'll be swimming. You can find me in the deep end. I came here ready to go. Living la vida loco. No time to waste, pull out the brakes. I'ma take you away. Catch my wave, you better keep up. Catch.
Alright, straight into it. We're going for corkscrews, so you're gonna twist at the bottom. Sorry, at the top. Guys, my brain is dead, I apologize. Just do what I do. Love you!
Look out, I'm shining bright. Smiling like I got summertime, won't stop now. The vibe is right, couldn't stop it if I wanted to. Jump in, we get rolling. We just keep it going. Feels so good, overflowing. You can find me in the deep.
Alright, straight into sit-ups, bent legs, and we're gonna just touch those ankles at the top of the movement.
I got you.
My abs are on absolute fire already.
Yeah, yeah, alley-oop, yeah. 'Cause we do what we do. We alley-oop, yeah, yeah, alley-oop, yeah. Hey, running, hold the line. Hanging out the window, paying through the sky.
Lying down on the floor, and we're gonna ankle tap. So squeeze those abs to begin with, and then start going from side to side.
We running it up, shadow puppets on the moon, doing what we want. Yeah, you know that we ready to go. Take it a step at a time, we just enjoying the ride. I got you, yeah, my crew. We alley-oop, yeah, yeah, alley-oop, yeah. 'Cause we do what we do.
Alright, straight into those slow cycles again.
We alley-oop. We alley-oop, yeah, alley-oop. We alley-oop, yeah. Okay, alright, we do it how we like. We roll, we ride like Talladega Nights. My crew, my tribe, we super duper fly. Oh wait, oh wow, I really
Into corkscrews.
up to the sun, we so high above, packing out the upper room, yeah, you
Working into those obliques, working those lines.
know, take it a step at a time, we just enjoying the ride. It's a long way to the sun,
You know what's coming. Big sit up, touch those ankles.
Call me Beach Boy. Revolvers on the stereo, McCartney and the boys. London town, show 'em how, break it down, don't go. Feeling so high and I'm privy to the notion. Let's ride these vibes, get this body into motion.
Alright, last 30 seconds. I want you to roll over into a low plank, and we're going for hip dips.
Free the feeling inside, let's have some fun. Symptomatic of ecstatic and supersonic joy. Unapologetic, get it, my mood can't be destroyed. So let the day and night, dance with that.
That was absolutely brutal. Thank you so much for joining. Please, if you want to see long-lasting, beautiful results, make sure that you are following all my workouts, putting them together to make longer workouts, as well as repeating this exact workout many times, okay? So at least 3 to 4 times a week, I want to see you here during this workout, and I promise you, those abs are gonna come. Those ab lines will appear. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.